Hey everyone, welcome back to new series of Python. So in today's video, we will discuss about the docstring. So in previous video, we have already talked about what is a docstring, what are the different types of docstring, and we have just covered what is triple quoted docstring, Google style docstring, NumPy docstring, and how to use all those in Python in our previous video. So in today's video, we will discuss about the one-line docstring, multi-line docstring and all. And yeah, let's go with the one-line docstring. So as the name suggests, we can say that one-line docstring fits in one line, which means that it looks better for one-liners, and this will have a closing clothes and the opening clothes on the same line itself. So we can just define this with an example. So here I'll be using a function to calculate the power. So in order to define the function, we know we have to use the keyword def over here. Later on, we have to provide the function name. So I'll be providing the name of the function as power itself. Later on, we can just use the parameters. That is, in order to find the power of number, we know we just require two parameters, that is a comma b. And in order to complete this function, we have to use the colon. And we can just provide the docstring over here. And here we can see that we are just using the one-line docstring. So here you can see that we can say that the closing quad and the opening quad will be on the same line itself. So I'll be setting the docstring over here. And here we just want to get the result. So later on we will be using the print function in order to get the result in the console. So here you can see the parameters are a and b. So you can use the parameters over here. In order to find the power, we know we have to use the double asterisk and provide the other parameter, that is p. And we just need to return the result, right? So you can just use the return function in order to return the result. So we can say that, yeah, we are just going to return a power b over here. And here we just need to get the one-line docstring and the result also. So I'll be using the print function over here in order to get the one-line docstring. And in order to get the one-line docstring, we know we just need to call for the function name. So the function name is power. And here we just need to remove this bracket. And in order to call that, put the, dot over here. And you can just use the underscore over here and provide doc. Okay, call the function doc over here and you will be getting the result. And in order to get the result of the parameters, you have to just call for the function by passing the argument. So here you know that the name of the function is power and we have to pass the argument. And this argument will be taken into the parameter and further process will be done over here. So I'm going to give the argument as 5 and 6. So here we are just going to make calculations with 5 to the power 6. And here I'm going to run the file. And here you can see that we have just got the result, that we just got the one line docstring as well as the result over here. Okay. And now we will be moving to the multi-line docstring. So multi-line docstring consists of summaries just like one-line docstring, followed by a blank line, followed more to elaborate the description, and the summary line may be on the same line as opening quotes or into the next line. So let's define with the example. Let's add two numbers, and to add the two numbers, first we just need to define the function. So use the keyword def over here and provide the name of the function, that is add numbers. And in order to add two numbers, we have to first use two parameters, that is a comma b, into which we will be storing the arguments. And here we just need to set the multi-line docstring. So I'll be setting the multi-line docstring over here. So this function takes two numbers as the input and returns a sums. And here you can find the parameters are a and b, that is the first number and second number, which have a type as integer, and returns the result of a and b as in its format itself. Okay, and what we have to do is we just need to return a and b. So in order to return this, we can just use the return method. And A plus B. As we are just performing the addition, you can set likewise, and we just need to get the result, right? To get the result, here you can use the print function and just call for the function name. So the function name is add numbers, and later on into this, you can just pass the arguments. I'll be passing the argument, that is 3, 5. And we also just need to get the multi-line talk string. So again, you can use a print function and provide the name of the function. So here the name of the function is add numbers. So I'm going to provide the name of the function. Avoid this bracket, put a dot, and here you can just use the talk function and you will be getting the result over here. So let me just run the file. So as I just run the file, here you can see that we just got the result as 8, and here you can also find the multi-line talk string. So that's all about dealing with the talk strings in Python. So we have learned different talk strings such as a multi-threaded talk string, one-line talk string, triple-quoted talk string, Google-style talk string, and NumPy doc-style talk string. So I hope this video clarifies how this is managed, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.